Hey everybody! Today we'll be playing Fast and Famous. It's kind of loud, you know. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. I am very excited to play Fast and Famous today. Ooh, what's the round? Fisherman's cat? I don't like this round. I'm sorry. But I really just want to dress up how I want. How I feel. I'm gonna dress up for the 4th of July. You know, guys, the 4th of July, you gotta celebrate it. Even in your clothes. I'm gonna get some dark blue hair, which is super cute. Meanwhile, we will have this makeup. Actually, no. I want a cuter one. We'll go to the VIP section. Right. How many of these wings are from Fairy and Mermaid High School? Just wondering. The hair. A lot of things from this game are from Fairy and Mermaid High School. Enchanted High, I mean. This is going to be a dress. Cute, right? Maybe some, I don't know, fireworks. Do those still exist? Wait a second, those are probably these ones. We don't need a pet. What the heck is that girl? She really wants in. This is cute. Do you guys like it? I totally didn't do the round, but that's fine. In this episode, we are going to do 3 rounds of fashion things. Maybe 2, I don't know. This girl's awful. She was trying to get the VIP section. That didn't work. It's so useless. Also, how is your 4th of July, guys? If you're in another country, I'm sorry. You see all these fireworks we have. Fisherman got me on. You see the cat butt. Yeah. Mmm. Another mermaid. I didn't know what the meant. I thought he had to be a fisherman. I, I don't know what it meant. That's what it is. Nope. Walk around. Amazing girl world. Nope. Oh my god. Another mermaid. This girl's really cute though. And then there's me. Happy Independence Day. Okay. I'm doing some awkward dancing behind the camera, by the way. Alrighty, guys. I really like red. Yes, I was hoping for an outfit like this. Woo! Machine! But it's like summer. No. We're having this outfit. Let's do some of this hair. I love this hair. Okay. Let's get these. Actually, wait. This looks really interesting. different. There's no red one. Let's get a red purse. Make sure there's nothing else that's good. This is the best. I'm done already. I'm too quick. I'm too quick for the game. Oh, this girl, she is so similar to me. I hate this. She literally copied me. Mm-hmm. There's no good hats here. Mango in a bag. Alright, this guy's is gonna be the last round. Because, like, you know. And the video is already 11.5 minutes long. Alright. While we wait. Oh, it's me! I love myself. Look, guys, I am so cool. Oh, hi, Mango. Mango, the troublemakers. Near the set. Hi, Mango. He's pretty. I'm comforting him. People thought there'd be no red in the girls section. So we went to the boys section and won. Because there were really good red clothes in the girls section. Okay. By the way, guys, I'm laying on the couch. Like, I am recording on the couch. That's like the only place I record. These people are terrible. This girl isn't bad, but she also isn't good. I don't like her outfit. This girl, too much light, too. I'm really hard on these people. There was this one girl that copied me. This girl isn't that bad, actually. She's pretty good. Bye. Amazing Girl World. Ugh. I hate her hair. It is disgusting. Because that's my hair. And she loses 2 points from her hair. Actually, she should have lost 5 points. I'm hard on people. You didn't notice that. Oh my gosh. That girl copied me. Totally awful. And I have proof that I didn't copy her. And I didn't win because of that girl. Ugh. Now what the heck?